please help subscribe for strength and encouragement to continue making new clips. Hi, this clip I will travel in Bangkok by boat, long-tail boat. It is small motor boat, has a long, slender body driven by engine. Itinerary duration about 2 hours, private tour for 2 to 10 people about $90, but if you go with group tour will be cheaper. Let's start from Riverside Pier, very close to Wat Pho and a good spot to take a photo of Wat Intharam. You will begin your journey along the Chao Phraya River, enjoy views of Wat Intharam and the old Grand Palace, Khlong Thonburi Palace, King Taksin's palace built in 1767. Then we entered through Khlong Bangkok Yai. You will see Wat Kalayanamit Woramahaviharn, a quiet Buddhist temple built in BE 1825. There is a seated Buddha image and a large copper bell. After that is Wat Intharam Worawihan Riverside Temple, where the remains of King Taksin are buried. And another temple is next to it, Wat Intharam Worawihan, Wat Khlong, Tulip Flu, an ancient temple that was built since the Ayutthaya period. Take the boat a little further. And you'll find photo spot for the big Buddha at Paknam Temple, Phasi Charoen. Because the temple is located at the mouth of Khlong Dan, which is separated from Khlong Bang Luang. The name of the temple was therefore called according to the sub-district in which it was located, Wat Pak Nam. Wat Pak Nam is an ancient temple built since the Middle Ayutthaya period, between 1488 and 1629. Okay, let's go take a look around. Phra Buddha Dhammakaya Thep Mongkol is a landmark made from a bronze Buddha image in a meditation posture with lotus bud openings, a lap width of 40 meters and a height of 69 meters, or the size of a 20-story building, made from 99.99% pure copper. Next stop is Khlong Bang Luang Floating Market. It is a local floating market along the Bangkok Yai Canal, which is an old community dating back to Ayutthaya, located in Phasi Charoen district Bangkok. Within the floating market there are communities. 2-story old wooden buildings lined along the banks of Bang Luang Canal. Souvenir shops, restaurants, barber shops, community exhibitions, which collects various types of antiques. In addition, around the floating market there is also Wat Kampang, Bang Chuk, which is an old temple that has been with the community for a long time. Inside the floating market, there are also interesting things including Baan Silapin, which is the former home of the Raksarajan Family, an ancient family of goldsmiths, which has been renovated into a place for art exhibitions, and is a gathering place of group of artists who love art. Okay, we are back to Riverside Pier. Thank you for watching. Kop Kong Ka.